I'm gonna run a test. If it don't work, I'll go back to the other one. But we're gonna go ahead and say start. Well, there we go. We're getting somewhere. Alright, just wait. That's pretty cool. Damn, I need that little tool because what I did was I had to use my micrometer, my digital, and then find this thing, and it's fairly close to 54 millimeters. I mean, it's almost there. It's the closest thing I had. But anyway, I cleaned it and set it with that. This is all about height. And, well, hell, hold on. Shit. It's got a lot of things to do with a lot of shit. What it is speed and feed on how fast you want it to move through the material, and then how much light you're feeding in there, how much power. I gotta find that. I can't find it on this one where I adjusted it. Cause I screwed around with it last night and I was like, okay, this thing ain't working. And I was like, this thing. And that little exhaust fan, oh wow. Check that. You can actually hear it. I need to get, well, 30 foot, 25 foot piece ought to get it. That way I can go straight up the back, straight up, go across the ceiling, and go over there to that corner. Because I got a hole on the outside where all of them refrigeration lines come through, and I pump it outside. Other than that, you can smell it. Yeah, that sucker's cool, man. This is awesome. I'm loving it. It's actually got the work in progress right here. It took me a little bit. I mean, hell. Oops. I'm doing something different. Alright, there's my little bits for that dude and that dude. Well, I'm doing it different because now I know I need to order bulk of dog tags, keychains, and leather, and a bunch of shit. So this is gonna work. Yeah, that's just 5.5 watts. The laser, and I ain't got it maxed out. Somewhere in here I was playing with it because it wasn't doing it. It was barely lightly doing it, and I thought, well, there's got to be a way to turn that thing up, and I did. Now I just can't find it. And I'm like, where the hell is that son of a bitch at? Shit. I'm gonna cut because this is 4.75. It's Luon what I'm screwing around with. I'll check it out, man. And it's got a little fan in the back there that is just sucking all that shit right straight out and pumping it out that door. Just sucking all that shit right back on in because my return is right there. Shit, I gotta get away from it. What I do? There. It's getting there. And so far, we're at 4 minutes. And we will see what's going on. That's awesome. There it is. She's done. You see that little fan? It's sucking all that shit right straight out, pumping it out there. Well, I want it to go up, over, and out and over there. It's pretty strong. So there you go. I need a big giant trapezoid or a bunch of lines or one of them things. It works. Yeah. Alright, y'all, peace.